This video is for anyone who recently set up a Focusrite Scarlett Solo audio interface for a fancy microphone and ended up only getting audio out of the right channel. You've double checked everything is hooked up properly, maybe even tried switching the XLR cable or searching through Google and forums, but nothing is working. Every suggestion is only focused on what to do when the audio is coming only from the left side. Well, there's another side to this problem. The suggestions typically include two solutions. First, figure it out in your DAW or audio processing software. This may work, but it doesn't help if you also want to use the microphone as your main input for the computer. I don't think my work colleagues would appreciate only hearing me in one ear, like the office Karen spreading water cooler gossip. The second solution is to update the format of the microphone input to one channel, making it mono instead of stereo. This is ultimately what we want to do, but the problem is that your system will default to using the left audio channel, which ends up sounding like this. The explanation. This is happening because the computer is trying to solve a problem that didn't even exist, but it ends up making more issues. It's like that time when your girlfriend said we need to talk, and you started explaining that Stacy is just a friend. You see, the Focusrite is a musical tool first, and it's designed to handle instruments like a guitar as well as microphones. The way it does this is by sending the instruments through the left channel and the mic in the right. Now, some apps may recognize there is no instrument connected and handle the mic appropriately as the only input, but not Windows. It keeps the instruments in the left audio channel as blank audio. Let's fix it. The way to fix it is to first make sure you've downloaded the Focusrite drivers for your specific device. There's a link in the description for the drivers. You'll end up getting to the Focusrite Control Panel. This is what it looks like for the Scarlett Solo version. The control panel lets you monitor the input from each analog or input source. One is for instruments and two is for the XLR microphone. So when I talk, it only shows in analog 2. Hidden away in the three dots in the upper right is the preferences option. In here, there's an option that combines both inputs to let them be heard from both sides of your speakers or headphones. You'll click on the device tab, then check the box for combine input 1 and input 2. You can also enable this feature by pressing and holding the direct button on the front panel of the device for 3 seconds. You'll know it's enabled if the numbers 1 and 2 on the front of the device are showing green instead of white. If you can, please engage with the video below. I'm new to YouTube with only around 50 subscribers so far, and it gives me a lot of motivation if I get some interaction. Final steps. To make sure everything is working properly, open up your sound settings. Scroll down to the input section and check that analog 1+2 is selected as the default device. When you click into it, you can test the sound and play it back. I'm a donkey. I'm a donkey. Are you hearing it now in both speakers? It's probably the best practice to switch the format to one channel while you're here. So, that's how you fix the right channel microphone issue on the Scarlett Solo. Thanks so much for watching and commenting, and since you're into tech, check out this next video to learn more about how artificial intelligence is more human than you think.